Hello friends, today we are making a gluten-free flatbread. The recipe is super simple, requires just 2 ingredients. The first one, of course, is buckwheat. The second ingredient is water. That's it. I made the buckwheat into a flour by grinding it. You can also purchase the ready flour. Transfer to a non-stick pan, spread it into a circle and leave for 3 to 4 minutes. Then flip on the other side and leave for another 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. For toppings, I am choosing hummus, chili powder, jalapeno peppers, high-quality olive oil, and fresh coriander. You can choose your favorite toppings. Let me know what are they in the comments.